Yeah, hello everyone. Yeah, good day anywhere you are watching this video today. So I created a video about how you can integrate payment options on your website, which is FlutterWave. FlutterWave is a payment gateway in Nigeria. A payment gateway in Nigeria. There's FlutterWave, there's Paystack. But when I created that video, I noticed I've been getting a lot of requests about people facing challenges on how they can integrate PayPal payment options on their websites. So if you have an e-commerce website, you need to be able to give your customers, your buyers, different options to buy products or to buy your products on your platform. You need to be able to give them different options. So that's just the major thing. Some people might not be okay using maybe their card on your platform. Some people might want to pay through PayPal. Some people might want to pay through Klarna. Klarna is a platform in Europe whereby you can pay for something in 3 installments. So that's basically what Klarna is all about. I don't know if you are familiar with Klarna and if you are based in Europe, because I'm currently based in the UK as I'm recording this video. So today, what this video is all about is for me to walk you through how you can integrate PayPal to your website, how you can integrate PayPal to your website and use it as a means of payment. So first thing first, log in to the back end of your website. This website is built using WordPress and is built using WooCommerce. It is not Shopify, it is WooCommerce. It's not Shopify, it is WooCommerce. So basically, for you to achieve this, you need to create a PayPal business account. You need to create a PayPal business account. You need to have a PayPal business account. For you to do this. So let me just log in to my PayPal business account. Let's go to paypal.com and click on, if you don't have a PayPal business account, just come here, log into PayPal or search for PayPal/business in any location that you are. This is applicable to any location that you are. Just go on Google search and type PayPal business. So it will take you to something like this. Okay, let's type PayPal business. PayPal for business. That's what I searched. This is it. So you can click on their ads. They are currently running an ad. Click on the ad if you want. If you want to spend their money. Can you see it's brought us to this main place? So let's just click on login. If I have an account already, so I will just log in. If you don't have an account, you just need to click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, the next thing you need to do is to follow the process. It will request for some information from you, but not, I believe it's not information that you don't have: your business name, your address, your business phone number, and all those things. So it is easy. It's easy to create. You just follow the process. Click on sign up and follow the process. For you to achieve what I'm going to walk you through here right now, you need to have a PayPal business account. So I have a PayPal business account already. If you don't have, you need to set that up. It's easy. Just follow the process. You'll be able to do it. So what you need to do is, what I'll do now is to log in into the account, put in my password, and I'll log in. So it has taken me to my dashboard. So this is my dashboard. Can you see the name of my business? Scott Digital. So that's the name of my business. So let you go back to your website. Let's go to WooCommerce and you go to settings. I want to show you first so that you see what I'm doing. You go to payments, let's click on payment. That's where you accept payment. You'll see that before I do this, you see that there is nothing like PayPal. Can you see I enabled credit card, which is through Stripe. I enabled WooCommerce payments. I enabled Apple Pay and Google Pay. So there's nothing like, if you look through this, there's nothing like PayPal here yet. So let's go to what we'll do. Let's go to plugins. The first thing you do is come to plugins, click on add new. Once you click on add new, type PayPal. That's what you type. Then you install this plugin. Install this plugin by WooCommerce. Just click on install and activate. You activate it. It's pretty straightforward. You click on install, then you activate it. So I've finished activating it. So once you finish activating it like that, what you need to do is go back to WooCommerce, go to settings again, click on settings. Click on payments. Click on payment again. You see that you now have an option to you now have an option to set up PayPal. So let's go to install plugins. Let me go to install plugins. And let's see if we'll see it there. So this is a plugin. Let's go to settings. So go to settings. This is it here. So if you face the same problem that I faced just now, just go back to install plugins. Just go back to go to plugins and go to install plugins. Let's go back to install plugins. You will see the numbers of plugins you've installed, which is WooCommerce PayPal payments. You click on settings. Click on settings. Once you click on settings, it will bring you to this place. They've given you documentation. They're giving you get help. This is what you want to integrate. So I will click on, they said test payment with PayPal sandbox. I don't want to do that. I'll just enable PayPal payment, including PayPal, Venmo, Pay Later, and all. Secure securely accept all major credit card. So I'll click on this. Just click on activate PayPal at this point. It will take you, click on this, click on boxes, then you verify. So it will take you to your website. So let me copy my website. This is my, it will take you to this place. I want to copy my email. I'll pop in my email here. I'll put my region, which is United Kingdom, and click on next. So they are telling me to log in. You log in. Just log in. I'll click on agree. So, and this is it. I'll click on this. So you scroll down here and click on toggle to manual credential input. That's what you click on. Once you click on activate and you are able to sign in into your PayPal account, which I just did, you come back here and underneath this place, click on toggle to manual credential input. So once you click on this, you leave this way, and you leave this way. I don't want, so then I'll walk you through the next set of things you need to do. So they said my live email address. I'll paste, you pop in your email address here. This is my email address. You need to get your merchant ID. So once you install your PayPal for WooCommerce, the next thing you need to do is to click on settings, which I've showed you. Then it will take you to this PayPal checkout option, something like this. You click on toggle to manual credential input. So then that is where you do the setup. You put in your email address. The next thing you need to put is to generate live merchant ID. So what's live merchant ID? I'll walk you through that right now. For you to get your live merchant ID, you go back to your PayPal accounts that you've set up. Let me log in back. I've been signed out, so let me log in back. So click on this, and I'll click on, once you log in into your business dashboard like this, after you've set up your PayPal business account, come to this place, which is your name, this place, and navigate to account settings. Once you navigate to account settings, come to business information and generate PayPal merchant ID. Can you see my PayPal merchant ID here? You copy it and you paste it here. That's how you do it. So how can you generate your live client ID? Your live client ID, you go back to your PayPal account, click on this developer button. Click on this developer button click on developer button. Then you are going to create an app. So once you come in here, because I've been here before, it will tell you, it can be in sandbox, and it can be in live. But what you need to do is that you need to make sure that it is in live. So you change this button to live and leave it there. Once it is live, you come to this place, come to apps and credentials. For you to generate this, live client ID and live secret key, you need to create an app. It's just a dummy app. So you click on create app. You give your app a name. You can give your app any name. So I'm giving my app Scott. Then I'll click on create app. So let's give it a few minutes to load up. I think this might be as a result of network. So you click on app. So let me go back to the app. So this is it. We've been able, can you see the app that I created? This is the client ID. And this is the client ID here. And this is the secret key. If you click on show here, it will show you while you can cancel it. So all you need to do is to just copy. I think they created this for me automatically, but I just want to show you the process. But you need to, for you to generate this live client ID and live secret key, just navigate to developers. Once you log into your dashboard, navigate to, click on developers and click on apps and credentials. Make sure that this is not in sandbox mode because you are creating app for the live mode. Then you give your app any name. Just give your app any name. So you copy the client ID. Copy the client ID. Paste the client ID here. Paste the client ID here. Copy your secret key. Paste it here also. And click on save. And click on save. So can you see this? That's all. Can you see the status is now saying connected? It's now saying my PayPal integration is connected. Everything is now connected. So can you see connected? Can you see API credentials connected? So it is that easy. It's that easy to do. Can you see all the events that are set up and under the webhooks? This is just similar to what I did when I created the Stripe payment gateway tool on my website. So these are tracked events. It will track payment capture completed, payment capture pending, payment capture reverse, payment sales completed, and every other event. So if you have anything you want to change here, you can change it. And so he said advanced credit and debit card payments. I'm not doing all this. So if you want to set it, enable advanced credit card payment, you can do it. But it is just the PayPal payments option that I want to integrate. And it's very, very simple. So I don't want to integrate PayPal pay later on my platform. I don't want to do that. So it's that easy. Can you see the status here that it is connected? If I want to disconnect it, I'll just click on disconnect here. It is that easy. So how do I do it? Once you log in, once you log into your backend of your website built by WooCommerce. The e-commerce is built by WooCommerce, WordPress. What you need to do is to go to plugins. Go to plugins. Click on add new. Once you click on add new, click on PayPal. Select PayPal. I'm telling you the process again. and activate WooCommerce payment, WooCommerce PayPal payments. Install and activate it. If you can't find the if you can't find the plugin you've installed instantly, navigate to installed plugins. Come to installed plugins. Yeah, you definitely see it in install plugin. So can you see what I'm seeing here? This is what I'm seeing. WooCommerce PayPal, WooCommerce PayPal payments. Then click on settings for you to set it up, for you to set up the the for you to set it up. So what you need to do, if you already you've not set it up, it will give you an option of manual credentials for you to click on manual credential, input manual credentials. So you select the input manual credentials. You see it somewhere around here. Once you click on input manual credentials, you see something like this. So make sure that you are not in sandbox mode. You don't need to first test it, because that's the reason why I'm showing you this. So you see live email address. Don't select test sandbox or to test your WooCommerce installation. You don't need that. Just click on input manual credentials. You see it somewhere around here. It is because mine is not connected. That's what I'm saying. So once you click on that, you see live email address, live merchant ID, live client ID, live secret key. You need to set all this up. So the first thing you need to do for email address, you know your PayPal email address. For you to generate live merchant ID, you let me go back. So let me log in again. It's telling me to log in. Just log into your PayPal accounts. Let me go back to home. Just go to business dashboard. Just go to your business dashboard. So for you to generate your merchant ID, click on your profile, your name here at the right hand side. Click on account settings. Once you click on account settings, go to business informations. You go to business informations. Then you find your merchant, PayPal merchant ID. This is your client ID here. This is the client ID here. Can you see it's the same thing? So for you to generate live client ID, PayPal will tell you to create an app. From this point, just click on developer. Once you click on developer, make sure that this is not in sandbox mode, because you are not in sandbox mode there. So make sure it is in a live mode. It is in a live mode. Then you click on apps and credentials. Click on create app. You can name your app anything you feel like. Anything you feel like. So once you name your app, it will generate, once you create your app and name it anything you feel like, it will generate a client ID for you and a secret key. Just copy them and paste them here individually, and that's it. So I believe you've been able to gain value in this video. If you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do that. I'm looking forward to creating a video on how you can integrate Klarna payment method on your website, Square payments method, payment gateway on your website, and anything you want to learn about digital marketing and all. So let me also show you. Let's go to the website and let me show you this. Let's just go to, there's a product in cart already. Let's go to checkout. I want to show you what we just set up. So this is for credit card. So I'm just sure it is connected, and that's how you can set it up. So you can change anything you want, you feel like changing here. Anything you feel like changing here, if you have any information, your brand name, intent capture, anything you want to change here. So I need to enable PayPal features. So let me set this up and save it. So this what, so then you click on save, because this actually need to reflect on this platform. So you need to click on enable PayPal features for your store. After you've moved from connection, move to standard and see. So if you have anything you want to change, PayPal, pay via PayPal, capture, if you have anything you want to change. So from connection is what will show you. Connection is what will show you that the setup is connected. But you need to move to standard payments to enable the feature on your platform. So click on enable this here. Click on enable PayPal feature for your store. Standard payment settings. If you want to change the description, the title, anything you want to change or you like it to be, so something like this, just leave it there. If you have anyone you want to change it. But for me, I don't want to change anything. I just want to enable PayPal feature for my website, for my store. Then I click on save. So let's refresh this. If we have the payment feature now. So can you see we now have PayPal? Can you see we now have PayPal on our platform? Pay via PayPal, pay in installments. Can you see pay with PayPal or pay later? So it's that easy. It's that easy to set up. So thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video that I'll be creating very, very soon. Thank you.